Ever wondered if the familiar black horse logo of Lloyds Bank crops up in places beyond the shores of the United Kingdom? It's a fair question, especially given how globalized the financial world has become. You see, Lloyds Bank, with its long and storied history dating all the way back to 1765, is a cornerstone of the British banking landscape. You'll find their branches dotting high streets across England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, serving millions of customers with everything from current accounts to mortgages. But as we navigate an increasingly interconnected world, where businesses and individuals often have financial needs that stretch across borders, the question of international presence becomes really interesting. Think about it. Many UK residents might move abroad, or British businesses might expand their operations into new territories. In such scenarios, the familiarity and trust associated with their long-standing UK bank could be a real comfort. Similarly, individuals and businesses based outside the UK might be curious about the services offered by a reputable British institution like Lloyds. Now, let's delve into the specifics. Does Lloyds Bank, in its current form, maintain a network of physical branches outside of the United Kingdom? The answer, perhaps surprisingly to some, is no. Over the years, Lloyds Banking Group, the parent company of Lloyds Bank, has strategically shifted its focus primarily towards the UK market. This means that the physical branch presence you're accustomed to seeing within the UK largely remains within those borders. However, this doesn't entirely paint the full picture of Lloyds' international involvement. While you won't find traditional Lloyds Bank branches in, say, Paris or New York, the group does have a presence internationally through other avenues. For instance, they might have representative offices or subsidiaries that cater to specific international financial needs, particularly in areas like corporate banking or investment services. These offices often focus on facilitating international trade, providing financial solutions for businesses with cross-border operations, and connecting clients to the UK financial markets. Think of it this way: while you might not be able to walk into a Lloyds Bank branch in Spain to open a personal account, a large multinational corporation headquartered in the UK but with operations in Spain might work with a division of Lloyds that has an office in Spain to manage their international financial transactions. The nature of their international presence is more geared towards these specialized areas rather than retail banking for individuals. This strategic focus on the UK market is a result of various factors, including economic considerations and a desire to concentrate on their core domestic customer base. Many global financial institutions, over time, refine their international strategies based on market dynamics and their overall business objectives. In Lloyd's case, the emphasis has clearly been on strengthening their position within the UK. So, to circle back to our initial question, while Lloyds Bank is a significant player in the UK banking sector with a vast network of branches there, its physical branch presence doesn't extend beyond the United Kingdom. However, the Lloyds Banking Group does maintain an international presence through specialized divisions that cater to specific cross-border financial needs, particularly in the corporate and institutional space. It's a nuanced picture, a strong domestic focus with a targeted international reach. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.